Yep, that happened. But anyways, today we are making a 2-piece bread cutting board for my wife. Off camera, I glued up and prepared the stock blanks that we'll be machining for this project. For the setup, I'm using my 12x24 GridPlate fixture plate system that keeps everything repeatable between operations. Ideally, we should be able to complete all 4 machining operations in one single setup, which saves a lot of time. My wife's been baking a lot of sourdough bread lately, and she wanted a cutting board that catches the crumbs and keeps us from destroying the regular cutting boards. And during the setup, I pushed the edge finder just a little too far. Instant mechanical disassembly. Luckily, it was already set, so we could get right back to business. We start with the 3/8 rougher to hog out most of the material. This head mill seems to do a really good job. I didn't really take my time with these tool paths. I was kind of rushed, but you can see it doing some really weird acrobatics. And then we finished that inside corner with just a 3/8 finishing end mill. And I'm not sure why I felt the need to clean up right now, because it's just going to get messy again. And since the datum is the center of the board, I'm able to reference the precision bench dogs that I have screwed into my fixture plate. Here's some more fusion adaptive acrobatics. Almost mesmerizing in a way. Now you see here I accidentally forgot to do different depths for roughing out the profile of this part, and it did a 700 thou depth of cut. I was really surprised that those strap clamps held on. Now with an 1/8 end mill, we'll come in and cut the little grooves for the crumbs to fall down into the tray. And the first plate turned out really good. All I have to do is come back and sand it and round over some edges, and we're ready for the second tray. And success. The cutting board turned out great, and most importantly, my wife approves. I'll probably add some rubber feet to the bottom, and we'll call this one finished. If you want to see more builds and accessories using this fixture system, subscribe. I've got a lot more shop projects coming.